Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Patashala's AWS video series where we are discussing multiple AWS services and features. This is a practical based session and so far we have discussed should we be having a default VPC. We have seen how to delete the default VPC and then create the default VPC back in a particular region. We have also seen how to create own custom VPC. Second, we have also seen what CIDR ranges mean, how to calculate them. We created our own subnets in both of our availability zones, that is US East 1B and US East 1A. So now let's go with the next theme where we would be creating our route tables. Our route table, as the name says, is in the form of a table where we define the routes to the different locations on the network. Now, if you are sending anything within the VPC, so AWS would by default create this route which has the CIDR range as well as the target, which is local. Now, as suggested, we would not be using the main route table, which is the default route table that gets created when you create a VPC, but it's always preferred to create your own route tables. So I'll give the name of the route table as CPB00. This is route table 1, and I would then select the VPC in which I want to create the route table. So now that the VPC has been selected, I click on create route table and this would create the route table for us. Now if you look at the route table, right, so this is the route table that we have that we just created, but here we do not see any subnets associated with this route table. So what we have to do is once the route table is created, you could click on this and you could go to actions and click on edit subnet association. Or else what you could also do is you could go to the subnet association tab and click on edit subnet association, and here we would be selecting the subnets which we want to associate with this route table. So let me first select subnet 1A and associate it. So this is how the subnet association now looks like. So this subnet is associated with the route table, and the one at the bottom says it is not associated with the route table. Now I could click on this and add both the subnets, or I could also click on this, the second option, and add the second subnet. Both the options take you to the same place. I click on save, and this is how the route table is configured. Now if we go to the routes of this route table, we should be defining a path to the internet. If there's no path to the internet, we definitely would not be able to reach to resources inside the VPC, or else the VPC would not be able to send traffic out to the outside world. So in order to have this configuration done, there are two endpoints which actually gives us the route to the internet. One is called an internet gateway, the other is called as a NAT gateway. So we would be associating an internet gateway as of now. So the route to the internet is always 0.0.0/0. If you see this notation anywhere in the networking terms, this means it is open to the internet. I go to the drop down, I click on internet gateway, and if you see, it says I don't have any internet gateways. So in the coming video, we would look at how to create an internet gateway from scratch. Thank you so much for watching this video of creating of a route table. We would come up with the next one where we would be creating an internet gateway, and then we would also create our routes to the internet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the content. Please like, share this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos such as this.